Welcome back to Dinar Current, your reliable source for critical updates in the world of foreign currencies. Today's message is far from ordinary. It's not the kind of news you hear on a weekly or even yearly basis. This could be one of the most pivotal updates we've ever shared, and it deserves your full attention. Whether you've been holding Iraqi Dinar, IQD, Vietnamese Dong, VND, or other foreign currencies for years or have just recently entered the market, this is the moment you need to be aware of. What you're about to hear may mark a game-changing moment for you. For weeks, we've been analyzing data, gathering intel, and listening to insiders, and what we're hearing now is not just promising, it's compelling and urgent. The signs are aligning in such a way that this could be the moment we've all been waiting for, a turning point many once thought would never come. If you've been biding your time, the window to act could be right in front of you. Reliable sources from across the globe are now pointing to the possibility that the long-awaited revaluation (RV) of the Iraqi Dinar and Vietnamese Dong could go live as soon as tomorrow. Yes, you read that right, tomorrow. This isn't just another rumor circulating online or in speculative forums. The information we're receiving comes from professionals deeply embedded in the financial systems, people with direct access to global banking shifts, currency exchange platforms, and more. As we speak, reports suggest that major trading desks, banks, and currency exchange platforms are making significant adjustments. National banking systems are revamping their processes, including tightening software and enhancing communication protocols. All of this points to the fact that something extraordinary could be unfolding. The coordinated nature of these preparations is a sign that this is not just a small, localized event. This could be a global shift, one with far-reaching implications. If the revaluation occurs as expected, those holding currencies like IQD and VND could find themselves in an unprecedented position of opportunity. But timing, preparation, and swift action are critical. This is not the time to be passive. Being proactive now could determine the outcome of this moment. The speculative rate projections for both the Iraqi Dinar and the Vietnamese Dong are incredibly promising. For the Dinar, estimates range from $3 to as high as $40 per IQD. For the Dong, projections are ranging from $50 to $1 per VND. These figures aren't just wild guesses, they are being echoed by reliable analysts and financial insiders from across various sectors. While caution is always important in the world of finance, the consistency of these projections suggests we could be on the brink of an extraordinary moment. This isn't a result of speculative hype. It's the culmination of years of strategic economic reforms in Iraq and Vietnam. Iraq has been increasing its gold reserves, which strengthens the dinar's stability and investor confidence. The Central Bank of Iraq has implemented new digital systems, improved its monetary policies, and made strides in transparency. These efforts are designed to instill credibility on the international stage. Meanwhile, Vietnam has quietly become a powerhouse in Asia, with impressive GDP growth, a surge in foreign investment, and expanding global trade. These economic fundamentals signal that both countries are in a strong position to support such a major revaluation. The revaluation, if it happens, won't be an isolated event but part of a broader, carefully calculated strategy by both nations to reassert themselves on the global economic stage. Behind the scenes, we are hearing about large-scale global coordination that could reset currency valuations worldwide. Central banks from many nations are reportedly aligning their efforts to rebalance the global economic playing field, correcting long-standing currency disparities. This realignment could have far-reaching impacts, and for investors holding IQD or VND, this could translate into incredible gains. The potential revaluation isn't just about boosting individual portfolios, it could signal the beginning of a more balanced and equitable global economy. This is your chance to be part of something much larger than just financial profit. It could represent a new era for the world economy, where emerging markets and developing nations rise to their rightful place. As the potential revaluation approaches, it's crucial to ensure you're fully prepared. Start by reviewing your currency holdings. Know exactly how much you own, where it's stored, and its condition. Some banks may require specific conditions for exchange, so it's wise to be thorough. Gather all supporting documentation that proves the legitimacy of your currency. Receipts, certificates, and dealer information could be essential. Reach out to your bank and inquire about their plans for handling the revaluation. Compare exchange fees, processing times, and overall policies across institutions. Avoid dealing with unlicensed or unverified brokers. This is the time when scammers will be at their most active. Stick to reputable, federally registered financial entities. While the potential for significant financial gain is exciting, it's important to remain cautious. Scammers will likely attempt to exploit the situation with fake websites, fraudulent emails, and misleading offers. Always verify any exchange service and check its legitimacy through official channels. Protect your personal and financial information with robust security measures, and stay vigilant. What's unfolding before us could be the beginning of a new financial era. The revaluation of the Iraqi Dinar and Vietnamese Dong may only be the first step in a broader reset of the global financial system. Whether you've been part of this journey for years or you're just getting started, this moment could shape your financial future for years to come. Be clear-headed, disciplined, and cautious in your actions. Prepare for the upcoming shift, and stay alert to any developments as they unfold. We at Iraqi Dinar Info will continue to monitor the situation and keep you updated in real time. If you haven't already, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay on top of the latest information.